Saturday morning here, and I'm scrapping a freezer that somebody tossed out. So I took the lid off because that's the law. I just ripped it off. I put some other scraps in here. Not much, but as long as I'm going down there. And then take a look here. I pulled out this from the freezer right there. I thought that was a copper line. It's not. But in there, I was able to pull this copper and these cords. And we'll see what we get for that separately. And then here's some aluminum with junk on it, so that's probably only 25 cents a pound. But here, remember those medallions that had all the ribbons on them? Like this? Well, I took and broke the ribbon off like this, watch. I'll show you how easy this is. I just snap that. It's clean. Ready to go. Making money. Oh, right behind me, there's a piece of scrap here. Bye. Go get the money. Bye. Okay, I got rid of some of that junk here, and I didn't know I was gonna get $25.20 for it. But that's what scrapping's all about. You saw how little that was, so alright, keep it up.